Looking for a real trend in the market chaos? Meet Prime Trend Pro, a professional trading ecosystem that does the heavy lifting for you. Forget about repainting lines. Our algorithm is 100% non-repainting. Instead of basic buy or sell signals, Prime Trend Pro breaks the market down into four distinct phases. The blue line is your confirmed uptrend. The red line is your downtrend. But here is your ultimate protection. The gold line warns you about market manipulation and risky zones, while the silver dotted line protects your capital during choppy flat markets. But how do you know the true strength of a trend right now? We integrated an exclusive feature, the Live Imbalance Feed. This is a tactical cockpit that calculates the exact imbalance between buyers and sellers in real time. See a blue trend on the chart? Glance at the panel. If bulls dominate with 80 or 90%, that is your perfect mathematically backed entry. You are no longer guessing. You see the real shift in power, and you no longer need to switch between dozens of charts. Our interactive matrix scans your favorite assets across 9 timeframes simultaneously. You get the trend direction and the exact dominance percentage in one powerful dashboard. Find perfect market synchronization in just one click. Prime Trend Pro is not just an indicator. It is your personal analytical center, available now for MetaTrader 4 and 5. Link in the description. Trade smart.